from Random Things with John and Zach. Here is John and Zach.
Hi, I'm Zach.
And I'm John.
And we are starting a new YouTube channel, and it is called
Random Things
with John and Zach.
So let's get started with our first video.
So, as the title says, we're going to do random things. And we're mostly going to do a bunch of how-to videos. And the one we're going to do right now is easy card tricks. So,
Here we just have a standard deck of bicycle cards. Any card deck will work. Just like a standard deck of cards.
okay. So, since these cards are new, I'm going to shuffle them. But normally, if you have a shuffled deck of...
Wait, do you want to take out the jokers?
It doesn't matter. If your deck is shuffled already, you don't have to shuffle. But since this is new,
We're just gonna give it a good shuffle. So we'll speed this up in the editing process.
okay. Now, unless you already had your deck shuffled, you're going to want to count 24 cards out of the deck. 21. Okay.
And then all the rest of the cards will come over here and sit with me. So how this will work is that Zach will do the magic trick on me, and then we'll do a close-up, and he'll explain it.
Okay. I'll just shuffle the cards a little more. And by the way, we're going to do this trick and another one. So 2 tricks. And I'm going to ask John to pick a card. And John, look at it and show the camera.
So I'm just going to come up here and show the camera my card. Zach doesn't know what the card is, but I do.
Okay. Put it back in the deck. It's right in the middle of the deck, right? I'm going to shuffle some more just to make sure. I have no idea where it is. Okay, would you say that's good? Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to make 3 piles, and John is going to say which pile the card is in.
But we're going to bring the camera closer just so that you can see the piles.
This is a trick that not only you have to pay attention, that the audience has to pay attention to.
So I'm just behind the camera right now. I'm sorry if it's shaking.
So which pile
Just gonna
was your card in?
down like this.
Which pile was this pile?
This one.
Okay. I'll take all these cards again, and I'm going to do the exact same thing.
I'm sorry if the thing is shaking. Oh, sorry about that.
Okay. Now, I will ask you once again, which pile? This one? Really?
Yep.
Okay.
I think I got the camera straight now.
Okay, I'm going to do once more. Well, twice more. And these tricks are so easy to master. I just learned them today. And now I can do them without looking at anything. This pile?
Yes.
Okay. I will do it one more time, and this is the time that I will predict your card.
Wait. Comment down below if you think you'll actually get it right. And could you move the card over a little bit, Zach? Thank you. So we'll give you a little time to predict if you think he'll get it right.
Okay. If I was right, this card is yours.
What do you think, guys? Do you think this is trickery or just flat out magic? Comment down below what you think, and we'll get into the explanation of the trick.
Okay, now I will explain this trick. I'll shuffle it a few more times. Okay. So basically, it's very easy to learn. So all you have to do is tell the audience to pick a card. Here. Whatever. It's the 2 of diamonds. And you're going to ask them to put it in the deck and shuffle it. And you're going to shuffle it. Or they can shuffle it. It doesn't really matter who shuffles it. Okay, once you've shuffled it and the audience thinks that it's completely out of order, like the card, you have no idea where the card is, you're going to make 3 piles. And you're going to ask the audience to tell them what pile the card is in. Okay, so it was in this pile. So what you want to do, this can get a little tricky. You always have to put the deck that the card was in the middle. Like that. And then you're going to do it again.
Wait, is it the 2 of diamonds or 2 of hearts?
2 of diamonds. Okay, it was in this pile. And you're going to do the same exact thing that you just did. So always have the deck the card was in the middle. And then you're going to do it again. So 3 piles. Okay, so it was in this pile. And you might want to act surprised or something while you're doing it. Like, let's say they said this pile, but you might be like, really? Oh. And
There is acting in magic.
Yes. So you're gonna do it. The deck the card was in the middle.
And sorry about what that just was. That was just a little slip.
And now you're going to do it again, but always the 11th card that you place down will be the card that the audience chose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this will be 2 of diamonds, 11. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that magic trick. And we just have a few more things to talk about before we leave you. John?
So the first thing is that we're going to have our joke of the day. And so today's joke of the day is, why did the chicken cross the playground?
Why?
To get to the other slide.
That's really funny.
Okay, so if you want to learn more magic from Zach, then check out his Google Classroom page. We'll put a link in the description. And you can also send comments to Zach, and he will try and reply to some of those.
Yeah, and just so you know, we're definitely not going to do a magic trick every video, because that's not all we're going to do. But thanks for watching. Remember, comment down below, subscribe, and drop a like.